So we provide a cloud service that works with hands-free devices like Bluetooth headsets, Bluetooth car kits, and in general wireless speakerphone and audio devices that enables them to do more for the user. So traditionally these devices are used just to make phone calls. So people in their cars, people at their desks, they're used as an audio device to allow them to make phone calls. With our service, people can do a lot more. And in a world where there are tons of different ways to communicate now beyond the simple phone call, particularly in business and mobile environments, our service enables them to use their voice to access and use other services. Social services like Twitter and Facebook, messaging services like email and SMS, and also business and enterprise applications from basic productivity tools all the way through to enterprise services like Salesforce.com, all by voice in a mobile and hands-free environment. So typically we partner with manufacturers of these devices like Bluetooth headsets. And users are already buying these primarily, as I said, to make phone calls. From the user perspective, they buy one of these devices. There's a simple hardware integration. On this model here, for instance, they push a button on the device. And when they push that button, it actually invokes our cloud service. And it provides them then with access by voice to all the services that they've set up to use. So I guess the consumer value chain starts with them buying one of these devices. In this case, this one comes free with 1 year of our service. They then go to our site, register, set up some preferences about the things they want to do, whether they want to use email or whether they want to use SMS or whether they want to use enterprise and business applications. They set that up, and then from then on, all they need to do is push a button on the device and use voice commands to get things done. We've got users using it for a whole range of things, right? I guess our initial kind of starting point was the safe driving application space. So about 90% of our users right now are in North America, where over the last couple of years there's been a huge focus on safe driving. So as you'd expect, the initial jumping off point for a lot of users is around messaging while they drive, right? Because there's been a huge focus on that in the media and of course the legislation that underpins that. But as we learn more about what users actually want to do in addition to that, we see them using it for a whole range of applications. Social applications like Facebook and Twitter, and also productivity applications. People very often, when they're not in front of a screen, they want to be more productive. Things come to mind that they want to do. They want to record thoughts or reminders. They want to access information either from public kind of content streams or even private content streams, and we provide integration to both those kind of public news sources and also enable users to configure their own private sources as well.